Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, and in today's video, we're gonna do a maintenance detail on this TRD Camry.
All right, so what are we doing, the maintenance?
Yeah, just the maintenance. So we do this one every month.
All right, cool, do your thing.
All right.
All right, Tony, so man, hey bro, it's been getting cold lately, Tony.
Yeah.
So what you been doing, like, what have you been doing to still work? Because for example, today you had a detail at 7.
Yeah.
You said it was still icy outside.
Yeah, it was like in the 20s.
What do you do?
So I put 2 sweaters, 2 shirts, and gloves, and then I put on my hoodie while I'm working. And then that's about it. It's as warm as I can get.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then just, your hands are still cold and stuff, but you just gotta go through with it. You can, what I've done before is put like the other gloves that are like cotton or whatever, and then put these rubber ones on top. And then that keeps you a little bit warmer, but it doesn't really work out sometimes because it can get wet. But yeah.
You ever got sick before? Because of the weather?
Yeah, but I haven't gotten sick in like 2 years. So I've been chilling so far.
Cool.
So let me know in the comments down below how you guys stay warm in the winter.
Hey, how long have you had this customer?
Like 1.5 years, probably almost maybe 2 years.
Do you know how he found you?
I think Instagram. He used to have another detailer up here that's really popular, do his car, but he had like, cause this guy was originally like getting his car done by another detail shop up here. And he got it like the full works and everything, like a polish and a ceramic coating. But the guy noticed that after like a few months, it was like not performing how it should. And he got upset about it, and he hit me up one day to detail it because I guess they were busy or whatever, so they couldn't get it in. And so I did it, and he liked the work, and then he was like, hey, what did you think about the ceramic coating? And I was like, damn, I didn't even know I had ceramic coating because it was that bad. And he was like, whoa. He's like, I figured, because he said he washes it sometimes himself. Because like he hits me up once a month, but sometimes he washes it in between the month, so it doesn't get that dirty and stuff. And he said he noticed that it wasn't like, he thought it wasn't beating as good as it should.
Oh, so that's how you know if it has ceramic coating, if it's beating.
If it's beating pretty good, that's the main thing.
All right, man, all right. And you had him ever since?
Yeah, I've been having him ever since. The first client that I did today was actually he referred me to her. Oh. So that's how I got her as a client.
That word of mouth?
Yeah. And
now he's been with you for 1.5 years, so I'm curious. Does he have 1 1/2 half prices or new updated prices?
No, same prices. Yeah. Like I changed my prices this year, like 2022, I raised them up a bit. Yeah. And I'm still gonna give him the same like price.
Hey, Tony, so you were a little late today, man?
Yeah.
How do you deal with that? Like?
I just let the customers know, the clients know, text them.
How long were you late?
Today, I think the morning one, like 30 minutes.
Not that bad, right?
Kind of 30 minutes on both. I'm kind of behind on like the whole schedule today since the first one set me back.
Yeah.
So I'm behind like 30 minutes.
All right, and what if you were late like a whole hour?
That's actually happened before.
And what do you do?
I just let them know and apologize, and usually they're okay with it most of the time.
Yeah.
Or they're not really upset or anything. Most of my clients, when they book me in, they're usually like at work or busy doing something else. So it's not when they don't need the car urgently. So it's like they're just fine with it most of the time.
Have you? But you said most of them. What about some people? They're like, nah, Tony, I don't want it anymore.
I've had that happen too. I've had that happen before too. If they're too busy or something.
Yeah.
And then I'll just apologize and we'll reschedule whenever it's convenient for them. Try to get them in as soon as possible.
What if you were like super an hour and a half, 2 hours late? Would you cancel one job and catch up, or just set everything back? Has that ever happened?
I think it has, but I wouldn't move everyone back. I try to fit them in at the end of the day, even if it's night or anything. Or let's say they're busy and they have to go somewhere. I'll ask them if I can go to wherever they have to go at that location, do it there, and then finish it off for the day, or just reschedule as soon as we can.
Hey, Tony.
What's up?
Hey, man, it rained a lot last week.
Yeah.
The last couple of weeks, huh?
Yeah, it was raining for a bit.
How did that affect your business? Did you get a lot of cancels or reschedules?
A lot of reschedules, a few cancels. I just had to keep putting people back the next week because it kept raining.
And while it was raining and you didn't have no details, what'd you do? How'd you spend your time, Tony?
Relaxation, self-care,
just chilling,
organizing. I got to ceramic coat the van, so it took some time to detail my personal vehicles. That's about it.
All right, what you got left, Tony?
I'm gonna pull it up closer. I gotta finish off drying all the cracks and crevices. So I'm gonna blow dry it, pull it in a little closer, put in the floor mats, dry those all the way. And then windows, finishing touches basically. So the wipe down, the windows, the wheels, the tire dressing, the door jambs, and that should be about it.
Yo, Tony.
What's up?
What time is your next appointment?
Like around 11:30 to 12.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Oh, you got plenty of time.
Yeah, we gotta go get some gas, fill up on gas, get some food, our little lunch break, and then head out to the next appointment.
Hey, man, talking about the gas, Tony. How is it over here, man? $4?
Pretty close to 5 for 87.
Dang. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah. How much does it cost you to fill up your gas tank?
The van, I believe around like 70 right now.
That's not bad.
Yeah, but then once you add in the generator and the little gas jug and the pressure washer, probably another 10 to 20 bucks. So.
How long does this last you? Like 2 days or so?
Really depends on how much driving we do. I can make it last like a week, but sometimes we have to fill up twice a day. So it just really depends. How much are you guys spending for gas at your places? I'm really interested in that. So if you guys can let me know in the comments down below, that'd be great.
Hey, some people are saying, oh, you only pay $2, $2.50.
I seen that.
Damn, where's that at? Let us know. Yo, Tony, so, it's not raining no more.
Yep.
You're finally doing your details, but you're starting to tell me that a lot of these details, they're just maintenance details?
Yeah, basically, they're all just like mini details.
Dang. How do you feel about that?
I'm grateful for it because it keeps me like a bit busy and steady, but I do prefer like the bigger details.
Because you were saying, kind of the maintenance, the mini details, they're your bread and butter.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's what keeps you alive.
Yeah.
But the big jobs, for example, you projected to make $1,300 this week.
Yeah.
You still have some spots available.
Yeah.
But $1,300, but you were saying last week you did a ceramic coating job that took you, 2 days?
Yep.
And you made $1,200 of that?
Yeah.
So the big jobs. But how do you get these big jobs?
Well, the big jobs that I usually have are just like clients that have already done their vehicles before, so they already know what they're getting and stuff, or people that have done their own research and they already know what ceramic coating is and they like want it. So it really depends. I promote it as much as I can, but it's hard to try to sell it to someone that doesn't want it. They have to want it. They have to do their own research. They'll have to like see. Yeah. You can explain a bit to them, but it's not for everyone. So with these like type of wheels, I offer an extra like optional service on these. I'll like put up like it's like a protectant, like a silica spray, and then it shines them up. It makes them look a lot better because right now they're like kind of hazy. And then the brake dust makes them brown. So he's got ceramic coated like a year ago, but the ceramic coating only lasts like around a year. So he's gonna get redone.
The rims?
Yeah, the actual wheels. The face of them got ceramic coated last year.
Oh, you could do that?
Yeah, and it makes it look a lot nicer and it makes them easier to clean, easier, and then for the brake dust not to stick on it. But
because right now I see you wiping and this and that, but it still looks a little dusty.
Yeah,
is it because of that?
Well, the brake dust is all like embedded on the material of this like satin finish, so it's like super known to be stained. These turn brown if you don't take care of them. They'll turn brown.
Oh snap!
Yeah. So I always recommend like these to get ceramic coated, and then you gotta keep it maintained pretty good.
So that's what you would recommend to somebody. Let's just say, hey, ceramic coat your rims, make them look nicer.
Yep.
This and that, easier to clean.
Yep.
How much would something like that cost?
For these, it's $100 for the face, so the face only, and then it'd be $250 for face and barrel, all four.
Dang. You kind of gotta find somebody who really loves their car, man.
Yeah, and cares about their wheels.
To do something like that.
Yeah.
Hey, what type of person really cares about their car? Like the car clubs? Or is it somebody who, you know what I mean? Like, for example, me. I don't care that much about my car, bro. But I'm a daily driver type of thing.
I guess like more car people.
Yeah.
Like people that just enjoy their cars, and that's kind of like their life, I guess, or car show people as well. There's like with the car community, it's like a wide variety of people because there's like race cars, there's the trucks, there's the off-road vehicles, there's the lowriders. So like there's a bunch of people, and all those people, they all like love their cars and stuff, so they want to keep it looking nice, especially if they put a lot of money into it. That's when those people really care about getting everything ceramic coated, everything protected inside and out.
Would you say, have you worked with people like that?
Yeah.
Would you say they're the pickiest type of customers or nah?
It really depends on the person. Some of them could be, a lot of them are really chill. It really varies on the person.
All right, Tony, so you're done. Now you're gonna do the finishing touches, which is an Instagram post or what?
Yeah, I just gotta do like a wipe down, make sure there's no leaks anywhere, and then recheck all the windows and everything, and then we should be good to go.
I saw you post a lot on Instagram?
On the stories I do every day. I try to post every day on the stories. Even when it's raining and stuff, I'll still try to post. But on the like our actual post, I'm trying to post at least 1 to 3 times a week. It's kind of hard to do. For me, it's just hard to do a good description. That's the only hard part because the photos, we have them already. I got all the photos ready. I have like 20,000 photos that I would like to post, but I want to make good descriptions. I don't want to just throw them out there all like crappy or just say, oh, this car, and that's it. All right, well, there you guys have it. We just did our maintenance detail on this TRD Camry. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.